nights on my own, heart heavy like a house with no home. I tried love before, but it slipped through my hands. Every promise felt like words in the sand. I learned how to smile, learned how to cope, learned how to live without holding hope. Then you came like a whisper in the rain. Didn't rush me, didn't call me insane. You didn't ask me to be more than I am. You saw the cracks and still you stayed. Every scar, every broken plan, you love me anyway. When love finally found me, it felt like coming home. Like a road I was running, was never meant alone. When love finally found me, I didn't have to pretend. I stopped searching forever when I found you in the end. I was tired of the games and the lies, of temporary arts in disguise. You looked at me slow, like you knew every battle I never told you. No pressure, no chains on my soul. You let me heal, you let me grow. In your arms I learned to breathe. You gave me peace I didn't believe. You didn't try to change my name, didn't love me for what I could be. You held my past without the shame and still chose me. When love finally found me, it felt like coming home. Like a fire in the midnight, keeping my heart warm. When love finally found me, I laid my armor down. I stopped fighting the feeling when real love came around. Maybe love ain't loud, maybe love ain't fast. Maybe it's the kind of thing that's built to last. No running, no fear, no proving my word. Just two souls learning what love is worth. When love finally found me, I knew this time was true. All the roads I survived led me straight to you. When love finally found me, I didn't need to roam. I was lost for so long, till your heart felt like home. So if love finds you softly, don't turn it away. Some loves come gently, but they're meant to stay. Yeah. The world been loud, everybody talking, everybody pulling me their way. I've been running, I've been holding, trying to make it through another day. When I sit beside you in the quiet, something in my chest unwinds. You're explaining, no defending, just a breath I didn't know was mine. You don't rush me, you don't push, standing next to you. I'm here without noise, no weight on my chest to lie, no fear of the morning coming, no need to hide. I'm here without noise, no walls I have to cross, just me and you in the moment. Finally, without noise, turn loud, don't shout. Escape and listen. I was tired of the noise in my head. Every road felt oversaid. I carried questions I couldn't name. Every sunrise felt the same. I learned how to stand alone, built my strength out of stone. But even stone gets worn with time. Even strong hearts search for signs. You didn't come to rescue me, you didn't promise easy. You just showed me how to rest and let my spirit breathe. I found peace the day I found you. Not fireworks, not the chase, just a quiet kind of truth that finally fell into place. I found peace the day I found you. Like my soul knew where to stay. I wasn't looking for forever, but forever found it away. Oh yeah. I had learned to live alert, guarded joy to avoid the hurt. Smiled wide but stayed unsure, kept my heart behind the door. You didn't force the lock or key, you let trust come naturally. Every word you didn't say taught me more than words could say. You didn't rush what needed time, you let healing draw its line. You walked steady, you stayed true, and peace followed you. I found peace the day I found you. Not because the world was right, but because your presence showed me how to lay my burdens down at night. And I found peace, hey, my voice. Peace ain't loud, peace don't shout, peace don't prove what love's about. It sits beside you when you're weak and teaches strength without a speech. Peace don't promise perfect days, it just doesn't walk away. And in your arms I understood, peace can feel this good. I found peace the day I found you. Not a dream, not a sign, just a heart that felt safe enough to stop racing time. The day I found you, and it didn't need to place, but you are home now, and that was enough. So if peace ever asks your name, don't let fear stand in the way. Some things don't need to be chased, they arrive. Oh yeah, yeah. Between lines just to find a reason to change. When I'm quiet, you don't assume. When I speak, you really hear. It's the way you give me room that keeps me right here. You don't pull, you don't chase, you don't love me in a race. You let things happen naturally, and that's the beauty I embrace. You're easy with me, no weight on my chest tonight. Easy with me, no need to get it all right. I don't have to prove my heart, I don't have to play a part. You're easy with me, and that's how love should be. I've known love that was demanding. Every step felt like a test, but you don't count my mistakes. You just hold me at my best. You don't need a perfect story, you don't force tomorrow's plans. You're content with what is now, with my truth right where I stand. You don't question every move, you don't ask me to improve. You see me as enough already, and that changes my whole view. You're easy with me, no weight on my chest tonight. Easy with me, no need to get it all right. I don't have to prove my heart, I don't have to play a part. You're easy with me, and that's how love should be. If love feels heavy, it's not love. That's fear wearing a name. But what we have feels simple, feels honest, feels sane. No pushing, no pulling apart, no pretending to be free. Just two hearts breathing easy, letting love be what it be. You're easy with me, like sunshine after rain. Easy with me, nothing here to explain. I don't have to guard my heart, I don't have to hide from me. You're easy with me, and that's everything. Some love feels like work, this one feels like rest. place. Some love bend easy when the wind blow hard. Some roots run deep from yard to yard. Yeah. When the world feel heavy and the day run long, you don't move, you just stand strong. No promises allowed, no need to agree. You just shade my heart like a truck tree. When everything's shifting around me, you don't sway, you don't flee. You hold your ground quietly, and that's what you are to me. You're my truck tree, solid and true. When the sun burn hot, I rest with you. No storm make you break or bend easy. You stand firm, you stay steady. When the road tire out my feet, I park my heart underneath. You're my truck tree, yeah, you're my truck tree. I've known love that cracked under pressure, split in two when things got rough. But you don't scatter when rain start falling. You don't disappear when time's tough. You don't ask why I lean sometimes. You don't rush me back in line. You just give me space to breathe, strong and still like a truck tree. While the world keeps spinning fast, you remind me of what can last. No noise, no guarantee, just presence standing next to me. You're my truck tree, solid and true. When the sun burn hot, I rest with you. No storm make you break or bend easy. You stand firm, you stay steady. When the road tire out my feet, I park my heart underneath. You're my truck tree, yeah, you're my truck tree. If love is shelter, let it be real. Not words that fade, but roots you feel. Some things grow slow, strong and wide, giving shade for a lifetime. I don't need more than what I see, just something solid next to me. You're my truck tree, calm and strong, standing here where I belong. No fear in the wind or weather, we stay rooted right here together. When the road bring dust and heat, I know where my heart will be. You're my truck tree, yeah, you're my truck tree. Some love don't move, stands in there, yes. I've been walking through loud seasons, trying to find my quiet ground. Every road kept asking questions, every answer hard to sound. But somewhere between your laughter and the calm behind your eyes, I felt the world stop pushing me to run or compromise. You didn't promise me forever, you didn't offer me a plan. You just showed me peace exists in the way you hold my hand. These are soft places where I land, where my heart don't need a guard or a plan. No sharp edges, no disguise, just truth resting in your eyes. These are soft places where I stay, where the weight of life fades away. After everything I've been through, I found soft places. You it proven, every step a test of worth. But you don't ask me to perform, you just let me be myself. No need to brace for disappointment, no fear waiting in the air, just the comfort of being chosen without needing to prepare. You don't rush the moment forward, you don't pull me from the now. You let love settle gently, and that taught my heart how to lie. Soft places where I land, where my heart don't need a guard or a plan. No sharp edges, no disguise, just truth resting in your eyes. These are soft places where I stay, where the weight of life fades away. After everything I've been through, I found soft places with you. If peace had a shape, it looked like this. Quiet moments I don't wanna miss. No fireworks lighting up the sky, just steady love standing by. I don't need more than what I see, just something safe holding me. These are soft places where I belong, where my spirit feel light and strong. No fear telling me to run, no doubt whispering what's to come. These are soft places, here I choose, not because I'm afraid to lose. After all the noise I've known, I found soft places, and I'm home. Stay here. Morning, catch you by the window pane, golden light dancing on your face. No rush in the air, no words to say, just the calm of another day. Every move you make feel easy, like you don't even try to shine. But the way the light fall on you got me losing track of time. You don't need to call attention, you don't force the moment through. It's the quiet way you exist that keeps pulling me to you. There's sunlight on your skin, and it feels like peace to me. Every time you pull me closer, everything slows down gently. No heat that burns, no fire that scars, just warmth that knows who we are. There's sunlight on your skin, and I don't wanna be anywhere else. Yeah, oh. You laugh soft, not too loud, like you're keeping something sacred. Even silence feel alive when you're standing in it naked. No pretending, no disguise, just truth resting in your eyes. And every shadow in my mind fade away when you step inside. You don't rush the day to end, you don't chase what hasn't been. You let love happen naturally, and that's the space I wanna live in. No, carrying things I don't always show. Every road leave dust on my shoes. Every step takes something too. But when I reach you, I lay you down. All the weight I drag around. No questions waiting at the door. Just peace I didn't know before. You don't ask me to be strong. You don't tell me to explain. You just give me space to breathe, and that take away the strain. You're where I rest, where I unwind, where my heart don't guard its mind. No armor on no walls to defend, just me as I am in the end. You're where I rest, where I'm okay, where the noise of life fade away. When the world feel heavy on my chest, you're where I rest. I've known love that never settled, always moving, never still. But you don't make me chase a feeling. You don't bend me to your will. You don't rush the healing process. You don't count the time it takes. You just stay present in the moment, and that's more than I could ask. You don't need to save the day. You don't need to fix my past. You just hold me in the now and make the quiet last. You're where I rest, where I unwind, where my heart don't guard its mind. No armor on the walls to defend, just me as I am the end. You're where I rest, where I'm okay, where the noise of life fade away. When the world feel heavy on my chest, you're where I rest. If love is shelter, let it be kind, not something I'm afraid to find. I don't need a perfect place, just somewhere safe to lay my faith. No storms reaching where we stand, just come moving hand in hand. You're where I rest, where I belong, where my spirit feels strong. No need to run, no need to hide, no fear of what's outside. When the road take more than it gives, and I forget how to exist, I come back here, I take my breath. You're where I rest. Stay right here. Late sunlight through the blind, no alarms calling out my name. Coffee cooling on the table, nothing pressing, nothing to explain. Your laugh drift through the quiet room, barefoot moving across the floor. We got time, we don't need to borrow, nothing rushing us anymore. No clock telling us what to do, no list pulling us apart. Just the ease of being right here, just the calm inside the heart. I love these slow days with you, where the hours fall away. No rush to be somewhere else, no need to rearrange. Just sunshine, just you and me, letting life move gently. I love these slow days, yeah, these slow days with you. Street sound humming in the distance, radio low, old tune playing, window feel like it's saying, take your time, don't hurry, love. You already where you need to be. In these moments I remember what the simple things can mean. No pressure hanging on the air, no future we gotta chase, just now unfolding naturally in our own pace. I love these slow days with you, where the hours fall away, no rush to be somewhere else, no need to rearrange, just sunshine, just you and me, letting life move gently. I love these slow days, yeah, these slow days with you. If life keep moving fast outside, we don't have to run with it. We can let the moment stretch and feel every little bit. No counting what tomorrow brings, no fear of losing time. Sometimes the richest days in life are the ones moving slow and kind. I love these slow days with you. Every minute feels okay, no need to speed the moment up, no need to get away, just be settling in between, just love staying easy. I love these slow days, yeah, these slow days with you. Let it move slow. I don't watch you watching you, I don't question where you go, I don't need to read your phone just to feel like I should know. What we have don't need defending, it don't shake when people stare. Every time you step beside me, I already know you're there. No games hiding underneath, no doubt whispering in the dark. We don't got what's already free, we just trust the way we are. Cause we got nothing to prove, nothing left to explain, no pressure coming from the outside, no jealousy running our name. We don't pose, we don't pretend, we don't fight just to win. We got nothing to prove, just love that's settled in. Yeah. I've seen love that live for show, and every move for display, but we don't need an audience to feel secure this way. You don't test my dedication, I don't ask you for a sign. We let love stay quiet and solid, knowing everything aligned. No fear, calling out our past, no doubt, leaning on our door. We don't measure what will last, cause we already know for sure. Cause we got nothing to prove, nothing left to explain, no pressure coming from the outside, no jealousy running our name. We don't pose, we don't pretend, we don't fight just to win. We got nothing to prove, If love is real, it don't shout, it don't need to stand out. It stays cool in the spotlight, and even cooler when nobody around. No fear of losing control, no insecurities creeping through. When love is rooted and grown, there's nothing left to prove. We got nothing to prove, no reason to rearrange. What we have feels solid and true, and that don't need to change. No doubt right in our end, no need to defend what's been. We got nothing to prove, just love we confident in. Let it be enough. Let it be enough. I don't knock, I don't wonder, I don't second guess the door. The way you pull me closer, tell me everything before. No questions in your eyes now, no doubt hiding in your tone. Every time I step beside you, I already feel at home. You don't ask me who I'll be, you don't try to make me stay. You just open up the space and let love find its way. Feels like home without asking, like I never had to prove. No waiting on permission, no explaining what is true. I don't chase, I don't pretend, I don't wonder where I stand. Feels like home without asking, just knowing that I can. I've known doors that stayed half open, love that kept me in between. But you don't leave me guessing about what this moment means. You don't count my footsteps, you don't hold the past against. You just meet me in the present, like that's more than makes sense. You don't rush tomorrow's name, you don't force a future plan. You just say you're welcome here, and that's how this began. Feels like home without asking, like I never had to prove. No waiting on permission, no explaining what is true. I don't chase, I don't pretend, I don't wonder where I stand. Feels like home without asking, just knowing that I can. Love is choice, let it be clear, not something I have to fear. I don't need a key or sign when your hand already in mine. No wait on what could go wrong, just right where I belong. Feels like home without asking, every time I walk your way. No doubt hanging in the air, no reason left to stay afraid. I don't brace for being left. I don't guard the way I feel. Feels like home without asking. And I know this love is real. Home don't always need a name. We don't always need the words now. Silence never feels so loud. When the world keep running circles, we just let the moment slow down. No explaining how we got here. No need to trace the steps behind. Just the calm between our breathing. Just your rhythm next to mine. You don't fill the space with noise. You don't rush the feeling through. You let the quiet speak for us, and that's why I stay with you. In the stillness, I feel you close. No need for signs, no need to pose. Every fear just fade away when we let the silence stay. No promises we have to say, no future we have to chase. In the stillness, I know this love is safe. I've no love that needed proving. Every pause felt like a test. But you don't question every moment. You just let the quiet rest. When the night leans soft upon us and the city finally sleeps, there's a peace I never knew before. In the space where we just breathe. You don't need the world to see. You don't need to make a scene. Understand the beauty of what silence really means. In the stillness, I feel you close. No need for signs, no need to pose. Every fear just fade away when we let the silence stay. No promises we have to say, no future we have to chase. In the stillness, I know this love is safe. If love is real, it doesn't shout. It doesn't need to work things out. It sits with you, it lets you be. It grows inside the quiet gently, no fear hiding underneath. Just trust moving naturally. In the stillness, I feel you near. Nothing missing, nothing unclear. All the noise fall far away when we let the silence stay. No rush, no fear, no escape. Just now, just here, just fade. In the stillness, I know this love is safe. Let it be quiet. Every promise felt like a lie. Too many nights I slept half awake, bracing my heart for another break. Then you came with a gentle pace. No rush, no games, no need to chase. You spoke my name like it was safe, and for the first time I believed the space. You didn't ask me to explain my scars. You just love me where they are. You made my heart feel soft again, like sunshine after rain. No fear hiding in my chest, no love feeling like a test. I don't flinch when you hold my hand, I don't question where I stand. You made my heart feel soft again, and I didn't know it could, and I didn't know it could. I used to count exits in every room, used to expect the end too soon. But you sit with me in the quiet air, no pressure, no proving, just being there. You don't disappear when things get slow. You don't love loud just for show. You stay present, steady, true, and somehow that healed parts I never knew. Yeah. You didn't promise me the world, you just gave me peace. You made my heart feel soft again, like sunshine after rain. No fear hiding in my chest, no love feeling like a test. Don't flinch when you hold my hand, don't question where I stand. You made my heart feel soft again, and I didn't know it could, and I didn't know it could. Yeah. If you've been hurt, I know the way. You teach your heart to pull away, but sometimes love don't need to fight. Sometimes it feels like rest at night. No fireworks, no heavy flame, just warmth calling out your name. Yeah. You made my heart feel soft again, and I don't miss the pain. No fear hiding in my chest, no love feeling like a test. I don't brace for the goodbye, I don't wonder if you lie. You made my heart feel soft again, and that's enough for me. Some love is quiet, but it's the kind that stays. I've seen love come running fast, burn bright, never meant to last. Promises spoken loud and clear, disappear when the truth gets near. I've seen hearts move out of fear, trying to force what's not sincere. But you never pushed my pace, you gave time to space. You didn't pull, you didn't chase, you stood firm in your place. You let the moment educate, you waited. the storm till my heart was ready and warm. Love didn't rush me, it stayed through the silence, through delay. What was real revealed itself when it waited. I was still learning who I am, still healing things I never planned. You didn't ask me to arrive before my soul was still alive. No pressure, no demand, just an open, patient hand. You understood the shape of time and trusted mine. You didn't call my slowness fear. You saw growth happening here. You let truth take its way. You waited. Love didn't rush me, it waited. Never treated time like wasted. It knew what was meant would rise when the roots ran deep inside. Love didn't rush me, it stayed, honored every step I made. What was strong didn't need help, it waited. Some love runs just to be seen. Some love stands in between the now and what's meant to be. Quietly, if it's real, it won't decay. It won't beg or run away. It grows slow, but it's strong all along. Love didn't rush me, it waited. Built on truth, not temptation. When the time was finally right, it stood clear in the light. Love didn't rush me, it stayed. Let the seasons have their say. What was meant didn't need a sign, it waited. So if love comes calm and slow, let it be, let it grow. What is true will never race, it waits. Ooh, la da 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 da. Ooh, la da 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 da. Ooh, la da 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 da. Ooh, ooh. I've seen you walk with your head down low, carrying things you never showed. Smiles borrowed, laughter thin, like joy was something you couldn't let in. But lately something changed in you. There's a different light in the things you do, like peace. Finally found your name and stayed longer than the pain. You don't rush, you don't hide, you let the moment take its time. Every step, every move feels brand new. Love looks good on you, like sunshine after rain, like a smile that finally tells the truth without explaining the pain. Love looks good on you, everywhere you move. If happiness had a face, I swear it would look like you. Oh yeah. You don't pretend, you don't pose, you let your real self show. No chasing shadows in the dark, you let the light find your heart. You laugh easy, you breathe slow, like you finally learned to let go. Every room you walk into feels warmer just because of you. You don't force what's meant to be, you trust love when it feels free. And watching you bloom this way makes me stay. Love looks good on you, like the ocean meets the sure, like a song you don't skip through, because it makes you want more. Love looks good on you, no matter what you do. If joy ever needed proof, it would point straight to you. Maybe love ain't meant to hurt, maybe healing comes first. Maybe joy don't have to shout when it finally figures you out. If loving you feels this light, I don't mind staying a while. Every day I see it clearer, you shine brighter. Oh, love looks good on you like morning after night, like a heart that finally knew it deserved this kind of life. Love looks good on you, and it feels good on me too. If love ever chose of you, it would look like you. So don't dim what finally grew, let the world see the truth. Love looks good, love looks good on you. Love looks good on you. Oh, love looks good on you. Seen love come dressed in fire, burn bright then disappear. I've seen hearts chase desire, only to vanish when it's clear. But you came calm, no thunder sound, just steady hands and honest eyes. No promises you couldn't ground, no need to sell me paradise. You didn't try to make me stay, you made me want to. You didn't beg or pull my way, you just stayed true. I choose you in every lifetime, every story, every scene. Through the highs, through the long nights, through the in-between. I choose you when the light fades, when tomorrow's hard to see. If love came back 1,000 times, I'd still choose you and me. You love me in my everyday, not just my shine, not just my glow. When silence had a lot to say, you listened more than you spoke. No rescue act, no saving face, just walking with me side by side. You gave my restless heart a place where it could finally rest inside. You didn't promise perfect days, you promised honest ones. You taught my heart a softer way to love someone. I choose you in every lifetime, every season, every year. When the road feels unkind, I want you near. I choose you when the world bends, when the future's unclear to me. choose you more. I choose you without the fear, without the need to flee. If the universe asked again, I'd still choose you and me. So if this life is all we get, I love you just the same. But if there's more beyond this one, I'll call your name. Yeah. Oh. I've seen people promise more than they give, heard sweet words but they never live. When the pressure came, they disappeared, left me standing alone with my fear. I got used to the sound of goodbye, to love that leaves without asking why. Then you showed up calm and slow, didn't flinch when you saw my low. You didn't run when it got too real, didn't judge how I learned to feel. When the nights were heavy and long, you stayed strong. She stayed when the world walked away, held my heart on the hardest days, when I had nothing left to say. She stayed, she stayed when my faith was thin, when the light fell far within, when love was easier to betray. She stayed. I wasn't polished, I wasn't whole, had a tired smile and a guarded soul. You didn't ask me to explain, you read my silence like a name. Every scar I tried to hide, you saw truth, not the fight inside. No rescue talk, no hero play, just love that chose to stay. When my walls were high and wide, you didn't push, you stood beside. You proved love don't always shout, sometimes it waits it out. She stayed when the world walked away, loved me plain, no masquerade, when I was one mistake away. She stayed, she stayed through the broken nights, when wrong felt louder than right, when I couldn't find my way. She stayed. Maybe love ain't fireworks, maybe love just does the work. No escape, no exit sign, just two hearts taking time. If love is real, it don't flee, it plants its roots and lets you be. And that's the kind you gave to me. She stayed when the world walked away, didn't love me for yesterday. She saw tomorrow in my pain. She stayed. If I ever learn to love again, I'll love like you loved me back then. No fear, no easy escape. I'll stay.